Okay, so I bought this pet water fountain on March 15th of this year, so I think it's given me several months to give it a try and tell you what I like and I don't like. The things I like: it's quiet, easy to clean, most of it anyway. Holds a little bit of water on top of the water fountain, so if the electricity goes out, your pets still have just a little bit of water to drink. The basin actually holds 108 ounces, which is quite a bit. There's this nice water level, so you can see where your water is, and there's a light at nighttime that you can also see it. The things I don't like. All right, the first part being this piece here. So this little piece comes out easy. You can take this cage off, and there's another piece here to clean it if you don't want to take this all the way off, but I like to take it out, clean this out well, so the water comes through that little hole. It comes with a couple little brushes, but I also have a previous brush that's a bit bigger with longer bristles from another water fountain. And then I use this handy toothbrush as well. The part I don't like is this piece here. There's no way to open this up, so I do take the little brush it came with to get in there and really clean it out well. And this round hoop works well. Sorry. So when you have this in and you're taking it apart to clean it, you can grab on to the little spin filter, I don't know what to call this, so you can pull it out. This, I have a hard time sometimes getting this piece open. Right now, of course, it opened nice for me, but sometimes I have to sit there and really try to get that open. It does have a suction cup, so it can stay up. And I did just clean this. I try to clean it, give it a good rinse once a week, and then actually wash it down once every 2 weeks. These filters that it comes with, however, I do not like. I think it's too small of a filter for this big basin. So they say to replace them every 2 weeks. I find that when I rinse out everything well once a week, I just take and scrub this with my hand like I did today under the water to get anything off of it. We do have a water filter system on our house with acid neutralizer and salt softener. So I don't think it's our water. I think that it's just too small for the fountain. But yeah, that's basically it. And then also, I don't have anything that gets up in the curve. So I can stick this little cleaner in both areas, but you have to get like a vacuum, old-fashioned felt vacuum cleaner in to get that small piece. And I think that's it. Do I recommend it? I'm tossed on giving it a 4 out of 5 or a 3 out of 5 because it's $14 basically for an 8-pack of filters. You're supposed to replace them every 2 weeks. I find that you could replace them once a week, but maybe I'm a little fanatical about it. So I think it's kind of expensive compared to previous fountains I've had that the filters last a bit longer. So you can make your own decision on whether you think it's 3 or 4 out of 5 stars based on what I've said. I do love the ease of cleaning it, except for that one piece. So I guess I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Thank you. Oh, and I didn't get anything free. This is my honest review, and thank you.
Is that your new water dish? We're gonna make a mess now. Are you just watching it? You're supposed to drink. Milo. Milo. What did you get? What did you get? Come here. Do you have any fountain? Show Jack. Because you're ridiculous. And you splash water everywhere. Do you like it? Come on.
You like your water, Haiku? Haiku loves this. Wow. What a great kitty. Good boy.
Представьте себя живущим вашей идеальной жизнью. Почувствуйте ощущения, связанные с этой жизнью. Дайте им заполнить ваше тело, а затем, когда откроете глаза, несите эти ощущения с собой в течение дня. Делая это последовательно, вы начнете замечать изменения. Может быть, сначала это
chug, 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 chug. Okay, my arm's getting tired from holding up the phone. He likes it now.
Snap, crackle, pop. From a